So now that you had your students create your Tellagami videos, you need a way to share those. Now you can share those on your website, which would be a simple way to do it. I'm going to walk you through that process now. You can share it with parents this way. Students would have access. Basically, anybody that you grant permission would have access to these videos that you would upload. To do this, you're going to want to navigate to your actual classroom page. And you're going to want to make sure that you've signed into your Edline account. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to navigate to my classroom page here. So we're going to go to my first grade page. Now over on the right, I'm going to add it to my contents. Now, when I click the green plus sign, I have the option I can actually add a video. Now the reason I'm going to have you do it a different way is that if I clicked video and add a video, that's great, but it's going to continue to add to this list of content. So if you have 30 students and you upload 30 videos, you're going to have a title video 1, and then underneath of it's going to say video 2, and then you're going to say video 3. So if you continue to do that, and if you do this every week, you're going to end up filling up this content side, and it's going to be really, really, really big. So a way to get minimize the amount of space that you're going to use when you're adding videos so that it's in kind of a nice, neat structure for parents and students to navigate. You'll click on the green plus sign, and I'm going to have you click blog. Now with this, you can title it whatever you would like. I'm going to title this one just for this example as Tellagami. Then I'm going to click save and return. If you would like to change the blog description, you can go ahead and add a blog description. If you'd like to change the visibility, you could change the visibility from this option, so everyone, including guest users, can access this blog. So I'm going to leave that. I could go ahead and change it, but I'm going to leave it public for all of them to access. That way, if grandma or grandpa wants to get on here and look too, they don't have to worry about anything. They don't have to have an Edline account to be able to access this. So we're going to leave it to set to where everyone has privileges to view it. So I'm going to click save and return. So you can see now over on the right hand side I have the new blog called Tellagami. So now when parents actually click on this link, they'll be taken to your blog where you'll be posting your videos. Now you can see there's nothing here. So as a teacher, you're still logged in. You finally created your blog. This is the only time you'll actually have to do this. So every time now that you want to add a video, you just log into your account and then go over to this link Tellagami. So it's always going to appear there from now on. So you just click on this when you want to add a video. So by doing this, you're going to click the green plus sign to add the actual video. So from here, you need to give this a title. So this is going to be a unique post that you make. So let's say this is student number 1, and I want this to be a video for student number 1. What I typically do for my students is usually just use their initials. So I use their initials, and then I might give it a date so I know that when this file was done. So let's just do my initials. We'll do Mr. F 4-14-14. That way I know that this video was created on the 14th of April. Then I know by the initials who created it. So we'll go ahead and click create now. Now I'm not done yet. I haven't added the video yet. This is now taking me to the spot where I'm able to add my video. So we'll say this is Mr. F's video. I still haven't added the video. This is where I need to upload the video. So I can click here where it gives me the option of this little video roll where I can click on this and allow me to upload that video. So now if you've taken that video from the iPad and you saved it to your desktop, that's where you'll be able to access that video. So to do that, I'm going to click on select media, and I'm going to click on the green plus sign next to the folder. So this might sound like a lot of steps, but as you do it a couple times, you'll start to get the hang of it really quick. So I'm going to click this green plus sign. This is where I need to find the video. So I'm on desktop. So I'm going to find that video. I'm using this video right here for this example. So we'll go ahead and click on that and click open. You can see the title of the video is there. If you'd like to change the title of the video, it's not going to really hurt anything to leave it the way that it is now. But we'll just go ahead and click upload. So you can see it's going to show you the progress of that video that you're uploading, and when it's all done, it's going to show up as it has been uploaded. So we're not completely done yet. You'll have to click insert. So it's not showing the video, which is fine. It'll show the video when you're all the way done. So from here, you've got your text, you've got your video showing up. One last thing I want to point out before you actually go ahead and submit this and post it. Down at the bottom, you have a few other options. With this, I would make sure you click on the comment type, and I would just click do not allow any comments to be added. So for right now, I would just leave it as do not allow any comments to be added. Maybe in the future you might be would like to allow comments to happen. If so, you have a few options for choosing comments to be allowed. I would just make sure the one option that you do check if you have comments to be allowed is to make sure that you click the last square, which says require approval of comments before making visible to others. That way you're the person that moderates all of those comments before they show up. So I'm going to go ahead and click do not allow any comments. That way people can come and look, but they can't leave their feelings or their ideas about that video that was created and shared. So from here I'm going to go ahead and click save and return. And you can see now that it says my initials and the date. It says this is Mr. F's video. So to actually view this, I would have to click on this title to actually view the video. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. So you can see now, here is my actual video that I created. So now let's go back to my home page. Again, here's my link. So let's say the next day I want to upload another video. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on Tellagami. You can see that this shows up, but I'm going to click on the green plus sign again. So we're going to say, let's do this person. Let's do John Doe. So there's his initials. Let's say John Doe did it on the 15th. So we'll click create new. So this is now going to be a post for John Doe. So we'll go ahead and add some text. Remember the file to add would be this little video clip here. So we're going to select the media, click the green plus sign on the folder, and then navigate to where you saved it from. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and add a video that I have here. So this is going to upload another video. So you can see it's going to show you the progress. It's in here now. Click insert. That video is now inserted into my post. Again, comment type, I want to make sure not to allow comments. If I do allow comments, I want to require approval. So we'll just leave this as do not allow. Click save and return, and it's posted. So now you can see I have multiple posts here. This would be JD's post. This would be Mr. F's post. So as you continue to make more and more posts, they'll continue to go ahead and appear in this stream. So the oldest will go down towards the bottom and the newest will be up towards the top. So this is one way that you can add your videos that you've created onto your class website. That was done by making a blog, which you only have to do once, and then you'll always access that blog. Make sure you're signed into Edline, and then you'll go to the Tellagami blog page that you created, or whatever you've titled your blog, and then you'll go ahead and click the green plus sign every time you'd like to add a new post or a new video. Now this is showing what it looks like for a teacher as I am signed in. If I wanted to show you what it would look like as a parent or student, I'll go ahead and you can see up here I'm not signed in now. So we'll go ahead and we'll go to my class page. Over on the right you can see that it says Tellagami. Still shows up the exact same as what it would for me being logged in. You can still see I'm not signed in yet. We'll go ahead and click Tellagami. So you can see here, let me go ahead and refresh this. There we go. So this is showing, again, what it would look like. I'm not signed in. So this is what a parent or student or grandparent, whoever is looking at this site for wherever they're at, they have access to view it. They can click on them and view the videos that are created on your blog. So again, you can see there's no option to leave a comment at this time. Maybe that'll be something that you do down the road. But again, this was how you can take and upload your videos to Edline to have it as a way to share with parents.